Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert your Canva presentation into Google Slides. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Canva presentation design in the editor. Once you have your design loaded and ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Share button. Go ahead and click on it to reveal the sharing options available for your presentation. From the menu that appears, click on Download. This will open up a new window with various export options that allow you to save your presentation in different formats. Here's where you'll make an important choice about how you want to export your work. Now, in the File Type drop-down menu, select PPTX. This PowerPoint format is crucial because it maintains your presentation structure and formatting, making it compatible with Google Slides. Choosing the right file type ensures that your slides will import smoothly without losing important design elements or layouts. Once you've selected PPTX as your file type, click the Download button and wait for the file to save to your computer. This might take a few moments depending on the size of your presentation, so be patient while Canva prepares and downloads your file. The file will typically save to your default Downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. After your download is complete, open Google Slides in your browser. You can do this by navigating to slides.google.com or accessing it through your Google Apps menu. Make sure you're logged into the Google account where you want to store this presentation. Once Google Slides loads, click on File in the top menu. This will reveal a drop-down list with various options for managing your presentations and documents. From this menu, click on Import Slides. This feature is specifically designed to bring presentations from other platforms into Google Slides while preserving as much of the original formatting as possible. In the import window that appears, click on the Upload tab. This allows you to select files directly from your computer rather than from Google Drive or another source. Now drag your downloaded .pptx file into the upload area, or if you prefer, click Browse to manually select it from your Downloads folder. Either method works perfectly fine, so choose whichever feels more comfortable for you. After uploading, you'll see a preview of all the slides from your Canva presentation. Select the slides you want to import. You can choose individual slides if you only need specific ones, or simply click Select All if you want to bring over the entire presentation. This flexibility lets you customize exactly what content makes it into your Google Slides deck. Finally, click Import Slides and Google Slides will begin processing your presentation. Give it a moment to complete the import process. In the Open presentation, click File in the top menu and save it properly to ensure all your changes and imported content are stored in your Google Drive. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Canva presentation into Google Slides, making it easy to collaborate, share, and edit using Google's platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.